Hey guys, Jeff again here. Welcome back to another video. This one is really short. Again, as I said, I would always keep you guys updated with everything going on with Diamond, which is how I call my car. If you guys still name your cars. So anyways, yesterday I went to the dealer. Basically, to summer it up, it's because of this. As you guys can see it, it's some kind of whatever you call it, fog leak, or it's just right there, and it's really annoying. Obviously I try to wipe it off, so it's not coming off. Basically it's not from my side, it's actually from the inside of the glass. So basically it's from the other side, which is the reason why when I wiped it, it would not come off. So at this point, this honestly is because the light is reflecting directly on it that you guys can see it that well. But when you look, usually when you're driving at night or any other time, it's not as obvious as it is right now, which is why I decided to make the video real quick. But yes, basically it's not bothering me, but it's something that someone will notice, and it's there. So I went to the dealer, and not because of that, but because of my tire pressure. And I told I have a friend of mine, a dealer, I told him, hey, I saw this. It's a brand new 2019. What can I do to take it off? Because it's on the other side. But there's obviously screws here that you should be able to take it off and just clean it, wipe clean, and just place it right back on. And I told him, hey, is there any way you guys could just help me out and get this clean? Because none of my screwdrivers would fit at this angle to go up and take it off. And they told me that, well, he had to speak with the manager to take a look at it and everything, and this took like hours. And basically they came out back to me and told me that, hey, looks like you sprayed something on it. This is not a factory issue, and we will not be responsible for repairs. And I'm like, what? All I need is a clean repairs. And basically they told me that the way this is located, the mechanic said that the whole dash or the glass would have to be replaced. And I'm like, well, can that be done? And it's like, nope. And then like they asked me a question like, was it like this when I bought it? Did I spray something onto it? Guys, I'm a car enthusiast. I'm not fully aware of everything about cars, but I know what to do and what not to do. So obviously I would know not to spray anything directly to the glass, so I wouldn't damage it, because I love my car, you know. And basically they told me that well, we didn't cover it. So I was like, well, is it possible I could speak with the manager? So that's when stuff got real. When you ask for the manager. And they got me the manager. He gave me a call, and I told him, hey, I love my car. This is not bothering, but I wanted to speak to you to let you know in person that this is not me who did this. But if you guys are not going to do anything about it, I will just leave it like this. But if you could do something about it, that will be really appreciative. And he said, well, I already denied it, but if you want to move it further, I could send it to the district manager, which I'm guessing would be his manager. And he did so. And actually I got a call back this morning, which is why I'm making this video as well. And he told me that basically Honda themselves had approved the replacement of my glass. So stay tuned. I will make a video once they get this whole thing replaced or whatever they're planning on doing. My appointment is for this Friday, so I'll keep you guys updated. And again, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.